Hi tuners! Welcome to StageX Academy. In this series, we are giving you practical knowledge on how to do various calibrations on your own. In today's episode, we will discuss something big. I want to present you the just-released StageX and WinOLS integrity. From the beginning, our mission was to create an inclusive environment for tuners, where everyone, regardless of know-how level, can start the journey in the mechatronics industry and do recalibrations on their own. We want to keep that promise and continue our remapping revolution with you. StageX features are now available directly in WinOLS. Now you're able to take advantage of StageX's services directly in EVC WinOLS Solution Manager. What's more, we have prepared a special gift for StageX Plus users. A whopping 50% discount for all Mappacks and a 20% discount for all solutions. With this good news behind us, let's get down to business and learn how to link software together and how to benefit from StageX features in WinOLS. Let's open the software. If you're not yet a StageX user, to be able to use our Mappacks in WinOLS, you need to register a new account on StageX AI. You can choose whatever license version you prefer, but remember that with StageX Plus version, you'll get a 50% discount on Mappacks and 20% on solutions in WinOLS. When we have our StageX account, just simply log in and click the Settings button. You'll see a section where you can add your EVC ID number. Now insert and register it. After that, everything is set up on StageX side and you can go directly into WinOLS software. After you have successfully added your EVC ID into StageX, the next step is to update the registry in WinOLS. To do this, go to the Miscellaneous tab in the top menu and then select Updates and Registration. Once the registry has been updated, you will be able to access all of the StageX features directly within WinOLS. This will allow you to use EVC WinOLS' full potential and take advantage of any new solutions, Mappacks, or features that may become available in StageX. Okay, now let's talk about Solution Manager feature and how to use it to your advantage. Solution Manager is available through the F7 key or by clicking on the puzzle icon in the top menu. Once you have accessed Solution Manager, you will see a list of available solutions and Mappacks for the chosen ECU. This can save you time and make it easier to use the full range of solutions available in StageX. As we already know, StageX offers high-quality, detailed, and precise Mappacks directly in Solution Manager that are available in two versions, locked and open. The open version gives you the ability to use the Mappack however you want, without any restrictions. The locked version is significantly cheaper, but it has locked options such as exporting OLS, exporting the Mappack, using the clipboard, and transferring the map structure. Both versions of Mappacks offer a high level of precision and detail, making them a valuable resource for anyone working with ECU tuning. While we're still on Mappacks subject, I'd like to share another great piece of news with you. Every Plus user will get locked Mappacks for control units listed below, completely free of charge. StageX AI solutions are also available from the same tab as Mappacks. These solutions include options such as EGR deactivation, DPF off, SCR off, GPF off, start-stop system deactivation, speed limiter deactivation, and even Stage 1 tune. StageX AI automatically finds sectors that need to be adjusted within seconds and makes the whole modification for you. The StageX AI solutions are designed to be easy to use and provide reliable results, making them a valuable resource for anyone working with ECU and TCU recalibrations. Okay, now let's talk about the currencies and how to use them. Magic Motorsport coins and EVC credits are two different types of currency that can be used to purchase StageX solutions and Mappacks in EVC WinOLS. To buy coins in StageX, click Get Coins on the Help Desk tab, which is located on the left side of the software, then sign in with the same mail and password that is linked to your StageX account. When we are signed in, then simply click on the Red Coins tab at the top of the site, pick the option that you are interested in, and finalize the transaction. MMS Red Coins can be exchanged for EVC credits by selecting the field with a desired amount in the Solution Manager. Once you have enough EVC credits, you can use them to purchase the desired solution or Mappack. This function allows an easy exchange of those currencies for you to get the desired solution right away. By taking advantage of StageX features such as Mappacks and solutions directly within EVC WinOLS, you can recalibrate any of over 1,000 ECUs supported by StageX at a glance. With the convenience of being able to access these features directly within EVC WinOLS, you can save time and streamline your workflow. Give it a try now and see the benefits for yourself. That would be it for today. Hope you guys find this lesson useful. Of course, should you have any questions or comments, remember that you can always rely on our support under the comment section. See you at our next episode of StageX Academy.